friends, happy Diwali to everybody. Let's look at the Nifty analysis, which we'll be doing for tomorrow's trading session. Plus, we'll be looking for some stocks which are giving some good potential for trading. So let's jump into this. As we can see, today it was Muhurat trading. 2079 has started somewhat, and as we can see, it was a gap up opening because of some global positive cues. And as we can see, it has gone up, and in the Muhurat trading session, it was just a sideways movement. So I generally do not trade in this session because it's just a small trading session, and it is not enough to get in or get out of a sizable trade. So as you can see, this was the high which was made here. Then we made a dip, we made a new high, and again today's gap up has made a new high. So if you see, we have almost made 20, 1.27 extension of this swing. So what I would suggest that as per the analysis, this particular swing might have been completed to the upside. So if we do not open gap up, or you know then I think this particular swing might be getting completed, and we might see some small retracement here. If you guys remember from my previous videos, which I have been doing over Nifty analysis, I have already shown and compared this piece of movement from uh, just for you, from this moment. This was the leg upside, which is started in the same fashion, which it has started from this side. A three movement up, three leg down, then again we started rallying up. So as we start to rally up, the swings to the downside were getting decreased. You see, the shallow retracements suggest that people were pushing the price up. As you can see, the retracements have not been too deep in spite of this one and this one. So we have been moving up through gap ups. So the entire movement may not be something like this, which has already occurred, this one, but still I think this high or this high can be touched, or this particular movement can lead to this upper test of this region. That is quite a possibility. So once we are moving into this territory, which is prior high, we should be cautious, and we should be either booking the profits, or you know just lightening up the positions which are on the long side. So this is what my analysis suggests, and we will be looking for any retracement from here, any retracements from here. And if we get somewhere around 61.8, that will be very very good chance to minimize the risk and increase the reward ratio. And in case we are just gapping up from this particular high, then again we will be looking for some shallow retracements, and then we will be sorry, getting into the movements upside. We'll be opening the long position subsequently. So as per my opinion, we might be completing this swing, and if it is completed, we might see some retracement to the downside. We may look to just fill this gap which has been made today. So this is what I have been analysis on Nifty. Very small session today, so there is no much price action. So we'll be just looking into the stocks for next trading session. As we can see, the entire thing was maintained on the stocks as well. If you see on the 15-minute chart for Bank of Baroda, this has been a very small swing because of the gap up opening today. So we'll look to enter into the long position around 143.4 here, and keeping the SL around 142.2 and possible target of 146.2. So in the PSU stocks, PSU bank stocks have been showing relative strength, which is stronger than private banks. On the Kotak Bank, we can enter into the long positions around 1895, this area, and SL will be just below this previous swing, which is 1884.4, and the possible target to the upside will be 1936. I think this will be a very good trade in terms of risk and reward, because it has retraced deeper for this particular relative swing. And If it turns out to be a winner from here and moves with strength, then I think this will be hitting 1936 target and proving a good risk reward trade. And since the stop loss which we place as per our system is previous swing low, just below one tick below previous swing low, so this is very close to their support area, so I think this will be providing a good opportunity. RBL Bank has nosedive today, and so any strength to the upside will be just a chance to short the discounter, because the movement was very swift and it moved down very strongly with strong bearish candles. So if it moves around 130.5, keeping the SL around 133.85, we'll be selling it with a target of 122.85 here. And next is a weak counter again, Indiabulls Housing, and we'll be looking to short this counter around 128.85, this area, keeping the SL around 130.6 and possible target of around 125. So these are the weak counters which I have just selected for shorting, and the areas which is banking sector is looking relatively stronger. So we'll be looking for long positions in these counters. So this is it for today, guys. Trade safely and a very happy Diwali to you. And if you like the content, please do share it with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified for every content which is being posted to the channel. If you have any comment or suggestion, feedback, please do provide in the comment section and I will be replying it back. Till then, thank you very much.